everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, I have the one and only card kit that I have purchased for the holiday card series here in 2021. And this is the limited edition card kit from Simon Says Stamps. So they put this on sale, I believe, sometime early September, and it shipped not too long ago. And this is their religious nativity themed card kit. So I'm going to walk you through the card kit today, and then in the next video we will do some kind of project with it. So let's head over to the craft table and I will show you this kit. It's been a hot minute since I purchased one of these, but they had this kit. I absolutely loved it, and I loved some of the things that were supposed to be exclusive. So I'm going to show you the kit, and in one of the next videos we will make one or maybe a couple of cards with it. You children to a falling, Cyrus one with a little bit, baby born for Bethlehem. Shoot, what is the name of this? So this was their limited edition Holy Night card kit, and there, like I said, there are several things that I purchased this for. This being the main set. This is a set of stencils to create a Bethlehem scene. So you got stars, you got the outline of the buildings, you get the windows and doors, and you get to this one that has the trees. So this was one of the main reasons why I got this. I know you're like, Misty, it says it's supposed to be exclusive just to this card kit. We'll see if that's true, holds true, but even if it doesn't, I got it. And this will be the only kit I will be buying this year, probably. Then you got, and there's an angel die. Oh, this is really heavy too. She's really pretty. This reminds me of Willow Tree. Is it Willow Tree? The ones without a face, but they're made out of wood? Are those willow? Oh my word. Do you know how hard it is to have zero memory? Juice. Willow Tree figurines. Yes, I was right. Okay. I was like, I think they're called Willow Tree. It's these. Can we not do that? I just wanted to see. I don't want a discount. I just want to see it. It's the ones that don't have any faces. Normally find these like at Cracker Barrel, Hallmark, etc. So, I mean, they're pretty. They're not, I don't like them. They're like not my style. I shouldn't say I don't like them. They're just not my style. Anyway, and then I really loved this star. I don't know if you guys remember a few years ago, Stampin' Up! Had a star bundle. I used the heck out of that. I loved it so much. Then you get paper glaze from Picket Fence. This is like a goldy bronze. It's called golden rose. It's really pretty. And it comes with a palette knife, which is good because I can't find mine. You get a Nuvo shimmer pen. Someone left me a comment, and I promise I will get to your comment. If I think these are worth it. Absolutely. And I prefer the Wink Stella. I prefer the Nuvo or the Spectrum Noir over the Wink Stella, and I'll tell you why. Because the clear Wink Stella still has a bit of color to it. It's like silver or so, but these are absolutely clear. And they last forever. The one I've been using has just finally ended. And it has this on it because I did a video for Scrapbook Pal. It may be up by the time this one has gone up, and I'll try to remember to link it. But once the solution is gone, you can pull out the inside, fill it up with water, and then watercolor with it. So maybe we'll do that later in the week. But yeah, so I love those. Yay, I think this one's about empty. Gets some, are these sequins? Yeah, I guess they're considered sequins. There's normally a piece of paper that comes and tells you what everything is, but I don't have it. Ooh, that's beautiful. Ooh, I like this one too. It's wood grain. These envelopes. Really pretty. embossing, refracted embossing folder. That's really pretty. So, no hate or anything towards Simon Says Stamp, but do not. I mean, you can if you want to. This set is like $140. You guys, you can get these on Amazon for 10 bucks, maybe $14, even the ones with the colored handle. So, I mean, support Simon Says Stamp if you want to, but I would just much rather invest my money in something like, I mean, this would be cool. That's cool, but the brushes are just so inexpensive on Amazon. Then we got some paper from, I believe, oh, there's a slimline. Then this is paper from Echo Park. Every year they do a nativity paper pad. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It looks like get half a pad. And don't forget, as I've mentioned and I've shown you guys, you can get the 12 by 12 papers and with these, and that would make a really pretty Christmas card. Then we got a stamp set. I think we got 2 stamp sets. No? Oh, no, that's not an envelope. So not 2 stamp sets? Oh, it must have been that. So this is the stamp set. This is called, it's called Holy Night. So, Oh Holy Night, unto us a child is born. I love that song. Unto us a child is born. We sang that in high school. Thanks be to God. Merry Christmas. Peace on earth. May the wonder of the first Christmas be with you always. You get the wise men. You get Joseph, Mary, an angel. You get a cow. And you get that cute, look at that little sheep. You get the star. You get like the starburst. You get the manger. You get some open stars and stuff. It's really pretty. And these normally retail for $20 or I think $24 or $27. And there's this. I think this might be like masking. And then you get some glitter paper. I love this. This is so smooth. I like it when it doesn't shed. And then of course there's some cardstock. That one has a little bit of a stain on it. That's all right. I think this is Schoolhouse Red. There's normally a paper. I don't know why there isn't this time. Navy. I think I have this navy. And then this beige. So a pretty substantial amount of products. It was like $60, $75. It was expensive. But again, it's the one I'm buying. It's the only one I'm buying this year. It came with plenty of stuff I know I will get use out of, especially with the dies and the stencils. I'm most excited to use. So yeah, so let me know in the description box down below. Let me know in the comments down below if this is a kit that you picked up. Yeah, so I have this stamp set, which I want to use. And so I really think those stencils may work with it. I don't know. Isn't this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh, it's from Art Impressions. I love it so much. Okay, anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.